If you guys get yourself one of them Cuisinart ones, I love this. They got little watering holes in there. Look at that. It's not... Mr. Grill and me still have the debate on whether or not they're watering holes. But look at that. I mean, isn't that designed? Boom. Close it up. Locked in.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We haven't done this one in a while, but we are making smash burgers today on Blackstone. Alright, if you guys want to make the best smash burgers that nobody has to add any condiments to, people asking for your recipe, this is what you want to do to them. So we're going to add all the stuff to the beef before we put it on the grill. Let's get after it. Okay, we have ourselves 1 pound of ground beef. We got this from Connor's Farms. Connor's Farms does an excellent job. They get theirs ground over in Luck, Wisconsin. But if you can find a local farmer, you're not going to find any better beef, I tell you what. So take your favorite burger seasoning. I really like the Famous Dave steak and burger seasoning. We're going to take and pop that lid off there, and you're going to add about a tablespoon-ish Coop to Grill measurements. The next one we're going to take is the Boar's Night Out White Lightning. This stuff is awesome on pretty much everything. We like it on our vegetables too. We're actually going to be adding this to our mushrooms. See that? It's got that extra little, so we can put as much of that as you want in there. Measure this with your heart. I'm just kidding. About a half a tablespoon or so. So we're going to add some mustard. About a half a tablespoon there. And then we're going to add some barbecue sauce. And this is just Sweet Baby Ray's Original. We lost the label off of that. We're going to add about a tablespoon of that or so in there. And whatever barbecue sauce you like, just add a little bit in there. And actually, I don't really care for barbecue sauce on most things, but in the burger, it's pretty fantastic. Next, grab your gloves and get that stuff mixed. Now that we've got everything all mixed together, right? You gotta, yeah, look at that. Yeah. So you're going to take... And if you're unsure on the measurements, grab yourself a 1/4 cup measuring cup. And you can fill that up, and that's going to be about the size of your meatballs. That's about a 1/4 cup right there. You should get 6 or 7 patties out of a pounder burger. So that was about 6. And when you're making this, I pat them together. Almost like I'm making a burger patty, but you kind of want that a little tightly packed before you throw it on the grill. And there you go. 6 of them ready to go. So now that we've got our burger mixed up and ready to go, we want to get anything else cooked first. So we're going to do mushrooms and we're going to toast our buns. We're definitely going to make sure we get that done before we put our burgers on the griddle. So let's get to the mushrooms. Blackstone's heated up. Actually, you can pick yourself up one of these things. It does the spray. And it also does the pour. And the other thing we got is our burger spatula. Oh, yeah. Spread that all around. And we're going to get a little bit of butter on here because we always like to cook with butter. So we're going to get that butter on there. As soon as that gets on, toss our mushrooms sliced up. Portobello mushrooms. Man, these things are good in burgers. They're good on everything. I love it. Toss them around in that butter. Just kind of get them coated. We're going to come back and we're going to hit that with some Boar's Night Out White Lightning. This is awesome.
And that one's the double garlic butter.
Double garlic butter. Don't be afraid to add more butter if it's looking a little dry. If you want them to cook a little bit faster, you can always steam them. Just a little bit of water and a dome. It's been about 2 or 3 minutes and I can hear the sizzling starting to slow down. So it's time to check on these. Look at that. Now that they're almost to my liking, I'm going to cook the buns. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to throw down a little bit of butter. I'm going to split that up into 2. And I'm going to take a little bit of this steak and burger seasoning. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my bun. Soak up that butter and that seasoning. And that is going to be the best burger bun you've ever had in your entire life. I guarantee it.
Mm-hmm.
This one I'm not even going to season. I'm just going to do it just like that because I really like the burger buns just toasted in the butter. I don't know what it is about the melted butter getting into the bread. It toasts it so much better. Look at that.
Ooh.
I know it. I know it. We're going to set these off on the side. Actually, we're going to get a plate over here.
Yeah, we are.
Got the buns. Getting the buns off. Look at that. Now you're going to take your burger press. Whatever burger press you have, this is the one I like here because it's got a solid handle. You can use wax paper or aluminum foil, and I really like the aluminum foil. You just wrap it around here. A little bit of oil. A little bit of butter. You can use a big spatula too. If you guys gonna get one of these, we got the Pit Boss burger spatula. This thing is really cool. I don't use it often enough, but we're gonna use it today. Make sure you leave enough space between your burgers to get a good press on them.
That's how you make them impressive.
That is exactly how that works. Anyways, all right. So take your spatula. Until it steams. And that's not close enough. So we're going to get that out here. Yeah! You want it to be pretty thin. These are going to cook hot and fast. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to hold it down there for a few seconds. And that's perfect because you just got done with these. Look at that. You can see that these are already getting cooked through. Then you just take your aluminum foil off and throw that away. Boom.
No cleanup.
And now it's time to flip them. As soon as you get done with that, that's how fast these things cook. When you flip them, you want to try and go to a place that's not had a burger on it, because if you flip it right where it is, it's kind of cooled down. So we're going to do that. And as soon as you do that, you're going to take and add some cheese. If you want to melt your cheese really fast, you do the same thing with you did with the mushrooms. Put a dome over top of it, a little bit of water, and throw that over there for about 30 seconds, and it melts the cheese right now. Now that your cheese is getting melted, the mushrooms are done, your buns are done, everything's coming together here, folks. And we're making doubles because, well, that's what we do. And we're going to take some of these mushrooms, we're going to throw them right on top. Ooh, that's starting to get warm. I'm taking a bite. This is probably yours, though.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Mmm. That is amazing. Classic Coupe de Grill burger right there.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. All right, guys. Thanks for coming along and cooking smash burgers on the Blackstone here at Coupe de Grill. We really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope yours turn out just as good as ours did. And I hope you don't forget the onions. Dang it. Anyways, thanks for coming along. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. You're ready.
All right, ready.
All right. What are we cooking today?
Oh, for the love of Pete.
Just kidding.
Starts early.
You're going to pre-condiment them. That's a word. No, that's not a thing.
Maybe.
That's a thing.
It is now.
Okay.
You and your meat. This is a lot of meat discussion.
Oh, you know, I got a lot to talk about.
Tastes just like chicken.
You're getting the wrong buns again.
Oh. I got that can't believe it's not chicken buns.
Yeah, you did. Just hit record and go ahead and do it.
Oh.
And don't talk back to me when you're in there. I will hear it later in editing.
I talk back to you all the time.
Oh, she's so sassy. Okay. What's going on with this one?
It says no.
Let's say no.
Don't press me. I feel oppressed.
Oh my gosh.
This is a great one.
We're going to heat that up a little bit. Maybe that'll help. That should be it.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Yeah, which way am I going here?
Oh, you always go that way.
I know I always go that way. You said I did it wrong last time.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
That was the video thing.
Oh, all right. Well, thanks for coming and cooking.
Smash burger. Blackstone. Fake.
Dinner with us here at Cooper
Oh
Grill.
my lord.
All right. If you want to see more videos like this of us cooking good food, like that stuff right there, right there, over here, that way. That's where they are. They're right up here. That's where we put them.